you like to try a little bit of rice cereal? Try that. Put your hands in it. Gonna put your hands in? Try it. Look, what's this? It looks like spit up. What do you think? You want to smell it? Let's try.
Does I really get something
Ready?
in my mouth?
What do you think? You want to try again? I need a chair. Okay. Want to try it? Okay.
Here's your spoon.
Hey, there's your spoon. Hold your spoon.
Here's your spoon. You can hold that one.
Is that good? You liked it. Good. Want to try it again? Oops, sorry. That's good. More? More? I think you're ready to eat, aren't you?
He's doing good with this.
Good job. More? It's good, isn't it? You're eating adult food.
Up his nose, all over his mouth.
Yeah, what do you think of that? What do you think of that? You want some more? In your mouth. Mmm. Very good, Eli.
Chew on the spoon while out.
You think he's ready for solids?
No. I think you are. Oh, you grab his chin. His chin. There you go.
Mmm, yummy. Yummy.
He said, wow, that's pretty exciting. I actually get some food.
Yummy. That tastes good. Say
Look how happy you are. How happy you are.
Oh, you want more? You're asking for more. You got a big bite there. Is that good? There's hair on your tray. Want some more? Yay! That's so good, isn't it? Very good, Eli. Good boy.
I think I'd like to have a spoon now.
Let's try some more.
Here's your spoon.
He opened his mouth and took it. Just opened his mouth ready for it.
There you go.
Very good.
Touch it.
Here. That's gonna hurt.
You're going to choke yourself, Cindy.
Some more? Ah.
Oh, maybe that wasn't a good idea.
No, it's okay.
Maybe he's had enough.
That's gonna hurt you. Oh, more? Okay. Here we go. Well, you certainly like it. It's not a problem of you not liking it.
It doesn't look like it's
You don't
a
mind
problem of our food.
you don't mind the taste, do you?
That's good, isn't it?